Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Martinsville, local and long distance movers near me. If you're moving over 50 miles and above, it is a long distance move. 3 Movers handles long distance moves effectively, and one wise thing you can do when moving over a long distance is working with only moving companies you can trust. 3 Movers has a solid reputation for excellent work execution. We work with state and federal authorities in charge of relocation and are licensed to move your belongings. Your belongings are safe in our care because we have a team of efficient movers. They handle your belongings with utmost caution, and our drivers are diligent and professional. They are also careful and obey road rules and regulations, and our moving trucks are strong, balanced, and well maintained. To ensure the total protection of your belongings, we have insurance policies that cover risk during the move. Moving over a distance of less than 50 miles is a local move. You may have heard of how inexpensive local moves are, but at 3 Movers, we offer the cheapest local moves. Our clients pay as low as $30 to $40 an hour. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Martinsville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form. Pack